Dear students, welcome to the lecture video on linear programming problem in operational research 1. Now we are going to see about linear programming. What is linear programming? The word linear means the relationship which can be presented by a straight line. That is, the relation is of the form ax plus by equal to c. In otherwise, it is used to describe the relationship between two or more variables which are proportional to each other. The word programming is concerned with the optimal allocation of limited resources. Linear programming is a way to handle certain types of optimization problem. It is also a mathematical method for determining a way to achieve the best outcome. Definition: LP is a mathematical modeling technique useful for the allocation of scarce or limited resources such as labor, material, machine time to several competing activities like product, service, job, projects, etc. Definition of linear programming problem: a mathematical technique used to obtain an optimal solution in resource allocation problems such as production planning. It is a mathematical model or technique for efficient and effective utilization of limited resources to achieve organization objectives. When solving a problem using linear programming, the program is put into a number of linear inequalities, and then we have to attempt to maximize the inputs. Application of linear programming: we can apply the linear programming in business, industrial, military services, economic, marketing and distribution. Areas of application: industrial application, management and miscellaneous applications. Advantages: what are the advantages? It helps in attaining optimum use of productive factors. It improves the quality of the decisions. It provides better tools for meeting the changing conditions. It highlights the bottleneck in the production process. Limitations: for large problems, the computational difficulties are enormous. It may yield fractional value answers to decision variables. It is applicable to only static situation. Linear programming deals with the problems with single objective. Types of solution to linear programming problem: first one is graphical method, second one is simplex method. Forms of linear programming: there are two forms, canonical and standard form. In canonical form, objective function is of maximum type. All decision variables must be non-negative. In standard form also, all variables are non-negative. The right hand side of each constraint is non-negative. All constraints are expressed in equations. Important definitions in linear programming: solution: a set of variables x1, x2, etc. xn plus m is called a solution to linear programming problem if it satisfies the constraints. Constraints means the equations, inequalities. Feasible solution: a set of variables x1, x2, etc. xn plus m is called a feasible solution if it satisfies its constraints as well as non-negative restrictions. Optimal feasible solution: the basic feasible solution that optimizes the objective function. Unbounded solution: if the value of the objective function can be increased or decreased indefinitely, the solution is called unbounded solution. Variables: there are three variables used in linear programming: slack variable, surplus variable, artificial variable. Non-negative variables subtracted from the left hand side of the constraints to change the inequalities to equalities, added when the inequalities of the type greater than or equal to 1, also called negative slack. If the inequalities are greater than or equal to, we have to add the slack variables, and then surplus variables, non-negative variables added to the LHS of the constraints to change the inequalities to equalities, added when the inequalities are of the type less than or equal to. And then in some linear programming problems, slack variables cannot provide a solution. These problems are of the type greater than or equal to or equal to. Artificial variables are introduced in this problem to provide a solution. Artificial variables are fictitious and have no physical meaning. Duality. For every linear programming problem, there is a related unique linear programming problem involving same data, which also describes the original problem. The primal program is rewritten by transposing the rows and columns of the algebraic statement of the program. The variables of the dual program are known as dual variables or shadow prices of the various resources. The optimal solution of the dual problem gives the complete information about the optimal solution of the primal problem and vice versa. Advantages. By converting a primal problem into dual, computation becomes easier as the number of rows reduces in comparison with the number of columns. Gives additional information as to how the optimal solution changes as a result of changes in the coefficient. This is the basis for sensitivity analysis. Economic interpretation of duration. Dual helps the management in making future decisions. Duality is used to solve LP problems in which the initial solution is infeasible. Thank you. I hope you can understood the